Today, we are going to be installing one of our upgraded tow mirrors on a 2002 Dodge Ram 1500. First, we begin by removing the door handle with a 10mm socket wrench. Then we proceed to grab a Phillips screwdriver and remove the screws that attach the door panel to the door. That way, we can access the bolts that hold the mirror in place. Once all the screws are removed, we just lift the door panel up a bit to remove it. From there, we can go ahead and remove the wire plug and bolts holding the mirror in place. With the mirror firmly attached, we can go ahead and place the door panel on by lining it up and making sure it fits just as well as when we removed it. Once the door panel is on, we can go ahead and install a door handle and tighten the screws that attach the door panel to the door. Once everything is complete, the final product should look something like this. For watching, and please like and subscribe.